Good morning. Welcome to your 10 a.m. daily weather briefing. We have some partly to mostly cloudy skies across the region currently, seeing some light northeasterly winds as well. In general, we'll see dry conditions today. Winds will remain light today, so no chance of a wind advisory and no chance of lightning and precipitation today as well. So, in general, a tranquil day across the region. Temperatures fairly seasonable for this time of year in the mid to upper 50s. And once we move into our Friday, we'll start to see chances of rain showers build in for the afternoon hours. So we'll see some good conditions until we move into about late Friday afternoon. We'll see some rain showers move through, and then a cold front approach and move through the region for our Saturday, giving us some unsettled conditions for the first half of the weekend. Taking a look at current surface analysis, high pressure in control currently across the region. It's going to be sliding off the coast today. We'll have an area low pressure currently across the Mississippi Valley, moving towards our region for our Saturday, giving us those chances of showers. And taking a look at our current satellite imagery, you can see we do have a fair amount of cloud cover across the region, mainly in the upper levels currently. Also seeing some low-level cloud cover around 4,000 feet across the area. And this cloud cover around 4,000 feet has been in and out of the area this morning, and expecting that for the afternoon hours as well. Having a difficult time, the models are, with this cloud cover, and with that, going to see that most likely in and out of the area. And then building back in for late afternoon with primarily mostly cloudy to overcast skies from about 3 to 4 o'clock this afternoon on through the evening hours. And taking a look at the HRRR model for today into tomorrow, you can see here mostly cloudy skies and building in with that possibly overcast sky coverage around 4,000 to 5,000 feet this afternoon. And moving into the overnight hours into Friday morning, we'll see in general dry conditions. The HRRR does bring in some showers off to our south, for late Friday morning. And then for our Friday afternoon, this HRRR run does not bring any showers in until late Friday evening into Saturday morning, but most of the guidance is showing a chance of some showers move through for Friday afternoon. And we'll move into early Saturday morning into around 7 a.m. Saturday morning. The HRRR does have some rain showers across the area. I do expect us to have some rain showers over the area at that time. Taking a look at the European model here for the next few days, you can see high pressure moves off today and it moves some showers into the area tomorrow afternoon. And then for Saturday, it looks like a showery first half of the day, and improving conditions for the second half of the day on Saturday. Right now, battle between the models and the temperatures for our Saturday and when this front moves through. Most of the guidance is showing this front moving through during the morning hours, which will cap our highs in the mid-50s. Some other my guidance, mainly the GFS, is showing those temperatures rise up into the 60s for our Saturday with that front moving through later in the day. So still going to continue to watch that temperature forecast for Saturday. But overall, I'm expecting those temperatures to be in the mid-50s with the showery weather, especially first half of the day on Saturday. Once again, not looking like a lot of precipitation across the region, possibly only seeing a quarter of an inch of rainfall once again from this frontal passage. So continuing the regime of not seeing a lot of precipitation across the region with these systems, and continuing with the dry conditions we have across the area. And for Sunday, we'll see in general high pressure and control, as well as Monday into Tuesday. We'll see a warm front approach to the region for late Tuesday. But right now, being a few days out, we'll continue to monitor that, and looks like could see a good chance of some rainfall moving in for Wednesday, with conditions possibly clearing out and being a nice day for Thanksgiving. But looking at our risk chart for today, we'll see green chart across the board in general for the work hours, and once we move in the overnight hours, possibility of seeing some patchy fog due to some light winds, as well as continued higher relative humidity values across the region. High today around 55 degrees, low tonight 43. And our terminal forecast, expecting VFR conditions today. Once we move in the overnight hours, possibly seeing that patchy fog with some lower ceilings with that. But otherwise, VFR conditions the next 24 hours with light winds in general. Taking a look at our Friday and Saturday. Friday, mostly cloudy overcast, chance of afternoon, evening showers, high 58. Friday night, mostly overcast skies, rain showers likely, mild, a low of 52. And for Saturday, morning rain showers likely, becoming overcast to mostly cloudy in the afternoon. So decreasing cloudiness, especially late afternoon on Saturday with a high of 56 degrees. Best chance of rain comes Friday night into Saturday. And as I mentioned, not looking like a lot of total precipitation with this system once again, mainly under a quarter of an inch. And looking at our next 7 days, looking at a Sunday and a Monday, good conditions, mostly sunny skies, fairly seasonable temperatures in the mid-upper 50s. And we'll see a warming trend right before Thanksgiving, Tuesday and Wednesday, some rainfall across the region. Better chance of rainfall on Wednesday, especially early. But highs in the lower to mid 60s for both Tuesday and Wednesday of next week. Really depends on how much sunshine we're able to see with a good amount of cloud cover moving through, as well as those chances of rain showers. But looks like we'll be above normal for Tuesday and Wednesday, and then possibly back to normal to slightly below normal for Thanksgiving Day. Well, that's going to complete our 10 a.m. daily weather briefing. I hope everybody has a great day today. We're back tomorrow morning at 8:15 and at 10 a.m.